Hello, my name is Stefan, and in this video I will show you how to install the ISOFIX i-Size in your car when it is in the booster seat mode, and how to buckle up your child correctly. You can find all the information you need in the user guide, which is located right here. We recommend the installation with ISOFIX. Just pull out the ISOFIX connectors like this. Now you can click them into the ISOFIX anchorages. Always make sure that both of the indicators jump to green. Now push the seat back so that it rests firmly against the vehicle seat. In some vehicles, you might need to remove the headrest of the car if it gets in the way. When the seat is in place, you can thread the seat belt into the guide. Now you can put on the XP pad. Just open it up, put the seatbelt in like this and close it again. We are ready for our first passenger. When your child is in the seat, lower the headrest until it is about 2 fingers over the shoulders. Now simply pull the seatbelt across the child and fasten it. Make sure that the belt is going correctly through the guide of the secure guard and that everything sits firmly. Last but not least, we engage the SICT system. To do this, just unscrew the SICT element until it reaches a position where the distance to the side of the car is as small as possible but not touching. And just like that, we are ready for the road.